Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Twitter. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Twitter can be an assault on the eyes, and just because of its frequently distressing content, the microblogging websites devote wide them can sometimes feel harsh and blinding, particularly if you're waking up in a cold sweat to check your notification in the middle of the night. Fortunately, the microblogging platform users offers a dark mode to help make those late night scrolling sessions a little easier, at least physically. Twitter first introduced their dark mode option in 2016, initially calling it night mode. And how if you want to turn this on to your Twitter or X? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our X or Twitter. As you can see, my Twitter theme is light mode, and I want to change it into dark mode. I will turn on the dark mode. You can tap on your profile here on the up left corner. You will see there's a sun icon on the bottom left here. You can tap on that. You'll see there is an option dark mode and dark theme. For the dark mode is off. If you want to turn on, you can choose on and your Twitter dark mode will be activated. And you can also choose the dark theme. You want to it dim or lights out, you can choose what you want to use. And you can also choose use device settings. If your phone setting is in the dark mode, so Twitter will be automatically set into dark mode. But if you change your device setting to likes mode, so Twitter will be automatically changed to likes mode. So that is how to turn on Twitter dark mode. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!